Yeah.
Other way, other way.
Your little laughs are so cute. You're like,
That was so much fun.
Booty bounce.
yeah.
Halfway down.
Oh my God, there's totally a guy standing out in the door.
Creeper at the door, just
Oh, this is the half plank you were talking about.
Yeah, this is the best ab move.
Oh shit, I've never even tried that.
I made it up myself.
yeah, I've never thought of this before.
Hip roll.
Oh wow.
This like will burn your belly fat away.
Oh, that's what I
love
need.
it.
Me too.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up for Detroit. I love this city. Yes.
I love it.
Here, let's do the double tap and then we'll end it. Double tap. Single
Oh my
tap.
gosh. That is beautiful.
There
Oh my
we go.
God.
And then we'll come back.
Hell yeah, that's gonna work.
Hey.
I can feel my pounds melting off right now.